Hi everyone, I've got a HIR2 Auris here on a 2016-2017 plate. Just going to show you how to replace a dip beam on this. I'm just going to switch the lights on, show you which one it is. As you can see, this one here is working, but on the other side it isn't. The bulb that's required is a HIR2. That's the part number there. So that's all you need for your car as well. Now to replace it, I'm going to switch the light off. Simple procedure. You might think, oh, there is not enough space to get to the bulb. So what you do, you take the pin out. Oops, I dropped that. I'll pick it up in a minute. Twist that to your left. Take it out. And then on the back there, there's a cover. So remove the cover. On the inside, right, if you put your hand in, there's a plug. So you turn that to your left, which is sort of basically that way, right? Turn it, pull the whole thing out. That's the bulb. So to get to it, there's a plug on the back here. So I'll push that down. As I push it, I gently pull the bulb out. Get the new one. Try not touching the lens. Whatever you do, the glass bit, try not touching it. I then plug it back in. This plug here that goes on the front, I plug it back in. And then the way I took it out, that's the way you take it out, and then slot it back in to the hole. Once you get it through the hole, where you had to twist it to your left, which was the bottom side, I'm going to do the same, and that's it. Now I'm just going to get him to switch the lights on. Could you please turn the lights on? That's all done. Lights on, please. There we go. That's lovely now. That's all working. That's all you got to do. Make sure you connect this back up as well, and the cover as well. Don't forget to put the cover back on. Any more information, please do let us know. We'll try and help you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.